Greeting to each and everyone. I am Joshua Deleon Blancaflor, 20 years old from Silamansuri, Tiagues, Havila. And this is my pecha kucha presentation for my microeconomics final requirement. On this video, I will discuss the three part of microeconomics that took my attention, which are the economy system, and market equilibrium. So let's start. First, First of all, what is economy? An economy is an area of production, distribution, and trade, as well as the consumption of goods and services. In general, it is defined as the social domain that emphasizes the practices, discourses, and material expression associated with the production, use, and management scarce of resources. Economics is study of how people allocate scarce resources for production, distribution, and consumption, both individual and collectively. The two branches of economy are the microeconomics and macroeconomics. Economics focus on efficiency and production and exchange. So, what is microeconomics? Microeconomics is from the word Greek micro, meaning small, and economics. It is branches of economy that studies the behavior of individual and small, impacting organization in making decision of allocation of limited resources. Microeconomics is the branches of economy that analyze the market behavior of individual customers and firm in an attempt to understand the decision-making process of firm and household. It is concerned with the interaction between individual and buyers and sellers and the factors that influence the choices made by the buyers and sellers. In particular, microeconomics focuses on the pattern of supply and demand and the determination of price and output in individual market, for example, coffee industry. And that is economy all about. So let's move to economy system. First of all, what is economy system? An economic system or economic order is a system of production, resources allocate and distribution of goods and services within a society or a given geographic area. It includes the combination of various institutions, agencies, and entities, decision-making processes, and pattern of consumption that comprise the economic structure of a given community. An economic system is a type of social system. The mode of production is a related concept. All economic systems must convert and solve the three fundamental economics problem. There are four types of economic system, which are the traditional economy, command economy, market economy, and mixed economy. So let's discuss this four type of economy system. First, let's define what is traditional economy. So what is traditional economy? A traditional economy is a system where goods production and distribution are driven by the time-honored belief, custom, culture, and tradition. These countries rely mostly on agriculture, gathering, hunting, and fishing. The barter system is characterized of traditional economies. The four key takeaways of a traditional economy. Number one, in a traditional economy, people are rooted in the history, tradition, customs, and belief. Traditional dictate methods of goods production and distribution. Number two, in subsistent economies, production is aimed to self-sustenance. They consume whatever they produce in trade minimal. Number three, in conventional economies, natives are living out on the skill acquired from the family and community. Over the centuries, there are communities that became highly skilled in particular niche. Number 4. In 2022, the traditional economy system can be seen in national like Brazil, Alaska, Canada, Yemen, Haiti, and Greenland. So, let's move to the last part of this presentation, which is discussing the market equilibrium. Before we start, what is market equilibrium? In economics, economic equilibrium is a station which is the economy forces such as the supply and demand are balanced in the subsistence of external influence. The value of economic variables will not change. Meaning, the market equilibrium is also referring to a situation where the quantity demand on the quality supplies of the good are equal. In the other word, market equilibrium is a situation which are the zero excesses demand and zero excesses of supply. Equilibrium is so important because it creates both balanced market and the efficient market. If the market is in equilibrium price and quantity, it is also no reason to move away from the point because it's balancing the quantity supply and the quantity demand. So, how do we define the market equilibrium? Market equilibrium is the achievement of the price which is the quantities demanded and the supplies are equal. We can present the market equilibrium in a graph by showing the combined price and the quantity at which is the supply and demand curves impact.